Hello everyone, I am your physics lecturer Muskan. Today I want to explain one experiment which is called as semiconductor diode reverse bias, which means one diode is there, that is P and N type connections are there. When P type is connected to negative terminal of battery and N type is connected to positive terminal of battery, this type of bias is called reverse bias. So in that circuit diagram is there. Here P and N type is there, which is diode, and microammeter is there, next voltmeter is there, and next DC output is there. Next after that, this is considered as nature of graph. In this graph we need to consider in y axis current I, microammeter, and x axis voltage in volts. So here we need to find one breakdown voltage as well as OB is considered as reverse saturation current. Okay, and this is called as observation. We need to take more than 5 readings or more than 5 trials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or you can take 8. Here voltage in volts is there, current I in microammeter. This is kit, and here PN junction diode semiconductor diode characteristics apparatus is there. Here in this kit we can use both forward bias as well as reverse bias. These are the connections are there. See here, first voltmeter is there and next ammeter is there. In ammeter there are two types, milliammeter is there and microammeter is there. We know that voltmeter is considered as device used to measure the voltage and ammeter is considered as device used to measure the current. So these are the connections are there. If we need to do reverse bias means we need to put like this, and here because 30 voltage DC is used here and 100 microammeter is used in this reverse bias experiment. This is called as on off switch. These are called patch cords. In that, see the circuit diagram now. With the help of circuit diagram we need to connect here. First see the diagram. Positive DC output, use this DC output, connect here, and that is connected to positive DC output is connected to N type of diode. Means here in this kit N is considered as K. So we need to connect positive DC output to K. Next again take one another patch cord which is positive of DC output only. That positive of DC output is connected to positive of voltmeter. This is called as positive of voltmeter. And take the negative terminal of the DC output. That negative terminal of the DC output is connected to voltmeter of negative terminal. Again connect another one DC output of negative terminal, that is connected to microammeter of negative terminal, where it is here. Next again last connection is there, positive of microammeter is connected to here A is considered as P type, here K is considered as a N type. Now we need to on the kit like this. If we want to do reverse bias means both are downward position only, like this. If we want to do forward bias means both are like this, upward direction. So today I want to explain, today I am explaining that reverse bias. So put down. Next. Start. See here, these are called as knobs. These are called as knob. Here I want to use this knob like this. First reading is 0 to 0 is there. First reading is here voltmeter is 0 and here microammeter also 0. Therefore first reading we need to take 0 and 0. Now second reading, for second reading we need to use this knob, and here for this voltmeter the LC value is 0.5 and for this microammeter the LC value is 2. LC means what here? Least count. Least count of this microammeter is 2 and the least count of voltmeter is 0.5. Now keep the value of 0.5 voltage in this voltmeter. See the value here. for 0.5 is there. In that condition, your current value is 0 only. So we need to take a 0.5 voltmeter value and current is 1. Next reading is after 0.5 we need to keep this needle in 0.5 after 1.0. Next your answer is 0 only. For 1 voltage answer is 0 only. Here also 0, here also 0. Next for third reading, that is 1.5 reading, 1.5 voltmeter, the answer is in between 0 and 2. It lies between the 0 and 2. So we need to take 2 only for 1.5 voltage. Next for 2 voltage, means for 1.5 is completed. Next for 2 voltage, now it is the in between 0 and 2 only. So we need to take 2 only for 2 voltage. Next 2.5, for 2.5 voltage the current value is 4. Current value here 4. Therefore for 2.5 the current value is 4 only. Again next needle is for 2.5 the answer is 6. Means for 3 voltage your answer is 6. These are the readings of reverse bias. For 0 voltage current also 0, for 0.5 voltage value current is 0, and for 1 voltage current is 0, 1.5 2, 2, 2, 2.5 4, 3, 6. That's it. See here, these are the 8 readings. The last one is 3.52. Here current value is 8. And this is the graph where I plotted a graph V versus I, where V is voltage and I is current. Here V in terms of volts, I in terms of micro ampere. Now see the readings here. 0 for x-axis, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. For y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the scale value is x-axis equal to 1 unit equal to 0.5 centimeter, y-axis equal to 1 unit equal to 2 centimeter. So see the reading here. For 0, 0 is there, and 0.5 answer current is 0. For 1, 0, and for 1.5 the current value is 2. Next for 2 your current answer is 2, and for 2.5 voltage the current value is 4, and next for 3 voltage the current value is 6, and for 3.5 voltage the current value is 8. So in this the answer of breakdown voltage is 2.5, and the answer of OB is considered as which current here? Reverse saturation current. This term is considered as OB, which is called as reverse saturation current, and this voltage is called as breakdown voltage. That is, the answer is 2.5 volt. Thank you everyone. Just like, subscribe and share it.